When it comes to sticking stuff on your skin, there are two well-known skin adhesives, Spirit Gum and Pros-Aide. In this video, I'll go over the pros and cons of Spirit Gum versus Pros-Aide. Spirit Gum is used in many different things like cosplay and SFX makeup. It's probably more common around Halloween time. You will definitely see Spirit Gum in Halloween makeup stores or your local SFX makeup shop. A few downsides of Spirit Gum: it has a strong odor and it's not sweat resistant. Also, you'll need a patch test before using in case you could be allergic. So, how to use Spirit Gum skin adhesive? To use Spirit Gum, take some and dab a small amount of it where you are going to stick your prosthetic. Tap the Spirit Gum until it becomes tacky. Once tacky, then stick your prosthetic to it. If you want to know where to buy Spirit Gum, there is a link down below. Also, Spirit Gum's flammable. To remove Spirit Gum, take your brush and dip it into the Spirit Gum remover, and then brush the Spirit Gum remover into the edge of the prosthetic until it dissolves the Spirit Gum. Do this until there is no Spirit Gum left on your skin. If you are looking for a Spirit Gum alternative, another choice of skin adhesive is Pros-Aide skin adhesive. Pros-Aide is a water-resistant skin adhesive. This adhesive is used in special effects makeup, cosplay, drag, and prosthetics effects as well. Pros-Aide is very tacky and holds for a long time. When you first see Pros-Aide skin adhesive, it looks like watered down glue. Pros-Aide remover comes in a spray bottle. So, how to use Pros-Aide adhesive? It is similar to Spirit Gum, but instead of tapping it, you want to wait for it to turn clear. Then gently stick what you need to your skin. To remove Pros-Aide, take your Pros-Aide remover and spray it around the edges and let the remover dissolve the Pros-Aide. Then, brush the liquid into the prosthetic and slowly peel it off your skin. When it comes down to personal choice, I like to use Pros-Aide because I find it more flexible than Spirit Gum. Also, I find it can hold slightly heavier objects. But really, you should test them out for yourself and see which one fits you the best. There are links down below in the description, so go check them out. Let me know down in the comments which skin adhesive you like better, Spirit Gum or Pros-Aide, and I'll see you in the next video.